Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bardatul Ainiyah with student number 128. Now I will play the role of elementary school teacher for language and technology final exam. Now let's start. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, today we will learn about animal. Do you know animal?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, can you give the definition of animal?
I don't know, Miss.
It's okay, I will tell you about it. Animal are living things that move, breathe, and reproduce. There are many species of animals, but I just present 5 species. First, mammals. Mammals is an animal that lactate. For example, cats. And second, fish. Fish is an animal that live in water and breathe with gills. For example, shark. And third, insects. For example, butterfly. Fourth, birds. Bird is an animal that have wings and can fly. For example, eagle. Third, reptiles. Reptiles is an animal that slither. For example, crocodiles. Okay, next, animal classification. First, warm-blooded animals. It is an animal that have fixed body temperature. For example, mammals and birds. Second, cold-blooded animals. Uh, it is animal whose body temperature change. For example, reptiles, fish, and insects. Next, animal habitat. Actually, there are many habitat of animal, but I just give 3 examples. Number 1, forest. For example, elephant and tiger. Number 2, sea. For example, shark and dolphins. Number 3, grassland. For example, zebra and lion. Next, animals based on their food. There are 3 types. Number one, herbivores. Herbivores is an animal that eats plant. Second, carnivore is an animal that eats meat. Number 3, omnivore that eats both plants and meat. The example of herbivore is cow, and the example of carnivore is lion, and the example of omnivore is deer. Animal behavior. There are 3 points. Number 1, migration. For example, migratory birds. Second, hibernation. For example, a bear sleeping in winter. And third, social. For example, animals that live in groups such as wolves. Conclusion, protecting animals and their habitats is very important because it keeps the ecosystem in balance. Okay, thank you. Okay, student, do you have any question?
No, Miss.
Okay, if there's no question, we will continue with exercise. But in this time, the exercise we'll do in the application called quizzes. Quizzes is a learning Quizzes is a learning platforms that offers of variety tools to make class fun, engaging, and interactive. Now I will tell you how to access the application. First, of course, you should prepare your cell phone. Next, you download the application Quizzes on the Play Store, or you can access it on Google. If it already done, you open the application of Quizzes. Oh, and enter the code that I gave. Ini. Enter the code. Okay, the code is, wait. The code is 0456405. Okay, let's start the exercise. Go! Thank you for joining this class. See you next meeting. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.